Thursday's meeting, done virtually for the first time in the history of ECOWAS, was aimed at bringing all West African leaders together to share ideas on how best to handle the pandemic in the West African sub-region. 6,183 cases have so far been recorded in the ECOWAS sub-region alone, with 158 deaths. President Akufo-Addo, in his opening remarks, says West African leaders must pool resources together to produce a vaccine to stop the virus. He says available evidence shows that the way the virus operates on the continent is different from what pertains in other continents.
Our scientists are very engaged in pushing forward the African vaccine manufacturing initiative. Indeed, there is a Ghanaian scientist is the chair of the board of those who are promoting it. We want to get to the possibility that we can produce a peculiarly African vaccine to deal with the problem, because the mutation of the virus in the various parts of the world is different. So we need to have our own way of responding to it.
On the impact of the coronavirus pandemic on the economies of West African states, President Akufo-Addo says talks are currently underway with development partners for debt relief and support.
The relief efforts that are being made on our debt, are absolutely essential. I support 100% the view of President Macky Sall that the public debt we should move. Already efforts have been made under the leadership of the Ghanaian and South African finance ministers to negotiate with the World Bank a debt standstill for the countries of the International Development Association. It's something, because, for instance, in the case of Ghana, that debt standstill has meant that $500 million that we would have had to pay in interest and principals this year would be standard. We need to go beyond the debt standstill. We need actual debt relief.